Assalamualaikum everyone. This is a small machine learning project which is hard disease prediction using ensemble learning. Here in this cell, I have just imported some of the necessary library which is required for our dataset preprocessing and our model building. So here from this here you can see that the name of the dataset is hard disease prediction.csv, and this is the CSV file. So for reading this dataset, we have taken the function of pd.readcsv and read the dataset in a data frame called df. And using df.h5, using this command, I have presented the top 5 rows from the dataset. And df.info is presenting that how many non-null rows for each of the column is presented and the data type of each of the column. From this we can see that the data type of each of the column is either integer or float, so we can say that this is a numerical data set. If we look into the data set, we can also see that this is just a numerical data set. So as this is numerical dataset, two types of value can be possible. One is continuous and another row is categorical. So I have just selected here the categorical column. So the number of unique value, if the number of unique value is less than 10, then the column will be selected as categorical column here. So I have found that these 9 column are categorical column. After that, as the final labeled data has heart disease presence or absence, so I have mapped the presence as 1 and absence as 0. So df.heart disease equal to df heart disease dot mapping. Then I have taken the level column into y and the other column feature column into x. After that, I have splitted the dataset using train test split, and I have taken the trace size of 0.2. Then I have applied scalar function. So here standard scalar is taken to normalize the feature values. So this process ensures that all features on the same all feature will be reside on the same skull, which helps to improve the performance and fastly convergence of the machine learning models. If we print the shape of the X-test, then we can see that there are 54 rows, and the other rows will be used for training. So first I have applied a KNN classifier model, and this model is giving pretty much good accuracy of 87%. Then I have applied logistic regression, and this model gives 90% accuracy, which is much good for this small data set, which I have already said that this data set has only 270 rows. So this is a very small data set, and on being a small data set, logistic regression is really performing well, becoming 90.74% accuracy. And this is the classification report for the logistic regression. I have applied another model which is random forest classifier. This is shown very lower accuracy of 83% only. And then support vector classifier, which is also giving a good accuracy of 88%. And finally I have applied ensemble learning, and previously I have applied if I say seen from the first that k-nearest neighbor, logistic regression, random forest classifier, support vector classifier. So four model I have applied on the data set, but for ensemble learning I have taken 3, which is logistic regression, support vector classifier, and KNN. As random forest is giving a it's pretty low accuracy, that's why I have didn't take it for ensemble learning. And here I have applied weighted ensemble learning, and weighted ensemble learning is giving much good accuracy of 91%. This is the classification report for the ensemble learning, and this is a confusion matrix for the ensemble learning model. Thank you so much for watching my video. So this is a pretty small machine learning project which I have learned during my initial phase of learning machine learning. So thank you all.